So now we've arrived at the third part of our front-end journey, JavaScript. JS stands for JavaScript. But don't confuse JavaScript with Java, because those two are completely different. They are unrelated programming languages. So what is JavaScript and what is it used for? If we look at JavaScript in the context of front-end in general, then JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactivity to a website. It makes the website alive, so to speak. When we talked about HTML, we said that HTML is responsible for what actually gets displayed on the site, meaning the data on the page. And then when we talked about CSS, we said that CSS is responsible for the layout of things written in HTML. In other words, for how things get displayed. So now we're talking about JavaScript. And we can say that JavaScript is responsible for the behavior of things written in HTML. So if there's anything on the page that moves, jumps, spins, or anything like that, most likely it's JavaScript. It will be a lot easier to understand how JavaScript works if we just look at a few examples. So let's head over to Amazon.com. And where can we find JavaScript working on this page? Well, without even going anywhere, we already see a slider and we can click to go left or right. So that's one example of what JavaScript can do. If we scroll down, we will see here a button with the label United States and an American flag. And if we click it, a pop-up window appears where we can choose a country. So this window has appeared thanks to JavaScript. Here at the top of the website, we see a button which can allow us to sign in or register. Click it and a sign-in form appears. If we click the Sign In button, when the fields are empty, we're going to get a message that we didn't enter any information. This message has also appeared thanks to JavaScript. And the last example, let's go to Google Maps. I think you are all familiar with Google Maps. So as you can see, this map is interactive. That means we can scroll it, zoom in and zoom out, and move it. And we do all these actions without reloading the whole page. And that is thanks to JavaScript. Okay, so you probably have enough information now for a general idea about what JavaScript is and why you need it. So let's move on and learn the specifics.